Woman experiencing a mental health crisis pointed a gun at officers. The police had to open fire because the police did not comply with their commanding officers.
Down on the ground! Down on the fucking ground!
Do you have her phone number?
Maxwell.
Sir, do you have her phone number?
Yeah, what you got? What you got? What you got? What you got?
What is her phone?
What? Calm down. Yeah, nothing but time. Want the phone in here? Yeah.
Alright.
She's trying to do it.
Yes, we are.
Alright. What is this number? That's the...
Open the door,
Right.
but...
Well, he gave us a different number, and that's the
we're going to contact the number now, okay?
So,
I'll give you a call back.
try calling that one first, and then do that one. I guess the call notes is that one. I'm sorry, do you have a number? Alright.
What's your name?
The police department.
They saw her at the back door.
Come outside with your hands up.
Come on. She's got a gun. Gun. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop the gun. Guns down. Guns down. Guns down. Guns down. Put your hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Down on the ground. Down on the fucking ground.
Put your hands behind your back. Gloves.
We need fire in now.
Back.
Gloves.
It's back on the staircase.
Sattler, through the house. I got it. You
Now let's watch how the incident happened from another policeman's body camera.
What's her name? Come to the door. It's the police department. It's the police department. We know you're there. Open up the door. Come outside with your hands up.
Come on.
Coming out. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop it. Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
Put your hands up.
Put your hands up now. Put your hands up. Do not go back.
Hands up.
Grab her.
Down on the ground. Down on the fucking ground.
Put your hands behind your back. Gloves.
Hold on, Sailor. Wait for me. Here, gloves. We need
Two more.
fire in now.
In the back.
Gloves.
Where's the gun?
Clear the house.
It's back on the staircase.
Sattler, clear the house. I got it. Clear the house. Clear the house. Help there.
Yep.
I'm right behind you.
Gloves. Handcuffs.
That's what handcuffs.
Somebody handcuffs. Rosa. Give me the other one. No. I know.
No officers injured?
No. Somebody had fire come in, move their police car up front.
Item 1, we need fire. Have fire come in. Suspects in custody.
Sit up.
Where's she at?
Alright, multiple spots.
Do we need more? No.
What do you need?
We just need a med bag.
Chest shield. You put that one there.
Give me the other chest. Maxwell, give me the other chest. Step out, secure the gun, Maxwell, please.
Maxwell, Dixon's gun on the steps.
Dixon's on, everyone.
Dixon's on the gun.
What do you need? What do you need? You got gloves?
Yeah, gloves.
Where's she? Have a chest wound? Is that?
I don't know yet.
Any extremities?
Yes. Tourniquet. Watch out, Sam. I need a tourniquet.
I got it. Give me the right arm. I
She's got
got
one.
You got tourniquet? Or
it. I got it.
Right here. You're gonna have to open it up. It's not gonna go in with the handcuffs.
So you're gonna close it? Who's car 906? Just move it. If it needs to be moved, move it.
There might have the keys in it. Who has 906? Stay with me. Come on, stay with me. Stay with me. Hey, you can lift the 3. Keep talking to me, okay? Keep your eyes open.
What do we need?
We just need med.